Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited High Altitude in black clear coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control with stop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D6971.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.